Hi, in today's video we have this table with countries, number of cases and date, and we want to use AutoFilter and standard filter in order to learn about them. So let's go to Data, AutoFilter or Shift Ctrl L. Now we have AutoFilter applied. You can see above these arrows. So we can check from here. Let's uncheck all. Let's check Belgium. We have only Belgium and all the cases by dates. We can filter more. Let's check here all the countries, and let's check, for example, I want only from 18, 19 and 20 of October, and now I want the first 3 countries. So let's check these 3 countries here, and I have all the cases from these 3 days. I could filter here all the cases that are above 3000. Okay, you can see this method, it's limited and it's not very powerful. If I'm changing numbers, it's not very correct. So a better way is to use a standard filter. Let's show everything in order to show you how to use standard filter, a better way to use filtering, but in a better way. So let's go here. We have this option, standard filter. We want country, for example, all the countries beginning with B. So we have Belgium and Bulgaria. Also, I want the cases. I don't want to check like that the values. I want to apply AND operator and number the cases greatest than 3000. So now if some numbers are changing, I will have that values not depending on an exact precise value of number. So you can see here it's blue because it's a filter is applied here. I have only the value greatest than 3000. So I have only this filter applied. We could apply also a filter based on date. So let's choose date is greater than this date. So it's not included that date, but of course I can include that with greater or equal with that date. So now here I want to filter just country begins with, I don't know, with S. So I have all the countries with S from Europe, number of cases greater than 3000, and date is greater than 18 October. If I apply with OR, it's not very clear because I have everything allowed. That was all about auto filtering and standard filtering. It's very powerful. You can change from here. I could change from here country, contains, for example, this text, ROA, so Croatia. Okay, so standard filter, and I want also number of cases to be greater than 2000, and also I want the date to be equal with this date. Okay, so I have one case in my filter. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video every week. Thank you.